Hi everyone, here we are at Five Below. Let's walk around and see what kind of gift ideas we can get for the holidays. Okay, so these bottle brush trees are absolutely beautiful. They come in multiple sizes. They're very full. They're beautiful. And the colors, I'm absolutely loving these. Their graphic tees are absolutely amazing. You really can't beat it for $5. I think these make some great gifts, and also the lounge pants. For $5 or $10, you have a gift. So take a look at the size of these giant Jenga blocks. These I can think of so many crafts to do with these. This makes a great gift. I'm not sure, but I do believe they're $5. Look at the size of these. Amazing. So just so you know, the label for the Jenga blocks were below the Jenga blocks. The $10 you saw was for the items above it. So the tree skirts and the Christmas trees for these prices, I think are great. The Christmas trees themselves are really full. And then you have the tree collars, which I was shocked to see when I walked into the store. They have the advent calendars, and I'm absolutely loving that white wreath. So Five Below has amazing gift ideas. So you might want to stop by here and pick up some items. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have a great day, guys.